Here's a Dreo heater. With the winter coming up, these are going to come in handy for you if you want to put them in your room just to get some extra heat in there. But I want to answer some questions that I get asked about this. So one of the questions is about the eco mode, right? So how do you turn on the eco mode and how do you turn it off? So let's turn it on and see what that's like. So there it is. It's turned on right now. Okay. Fan's going to start to go and it's going to start heating up, and then you can control the temperature by either see the minus and plus button there. You can go high 2, high 3, to either any one of those. H3 is being the highest, so that's about the 95 is as high as it goes. Let's turn it back down to high. Okay, and then we also have a little timer button there, and this button here that makes it oscillate. So once I touch that, you see it starts to go back and forth on its own. So that's a nice little feature. To shut it off, you just hit it one more time. All right, so here is where the eco mode is. So this middle button is your menu here. So that's on regular. Okay, so that's on high. And that is on eco mode. Okay, so eco mode is how you control the temperature. So here it's 59. We can bring it all the way down to 52. Okay, so as far as I know, this is just an adjustable thermostat, and whatever you set it to, that's what you're going to get from it, aside from the regular when it's H1, H2, H3. Okay, now to get out of the eco mode, you're just going to press that one more time. Okay, that's going to go, that takes it out into fan, and then if you just want the fan, right, and then this takes it back to the regular heating, which is a high mode. Okay, this little red light here means that the plug is connected via the safety switch. So if you want to touch the safety switch, when I reset it, see it's gonna shut it off. Turn the eco mode on and off. Okay, so there it goes again. And one more time. That's eco mode, and then you can adjust your temperature with a plus and minus sign right there. Okay, let's shut it off, and let me just show you that there's a countdown when you hit the shut off button. There's a countdown. It's a 30-second countdown before it shuts off. So in the back, it's got this handle right here, and so you can see I used it last year, so I haven't been able to clean this out. But here, you can clean out this part, okay, and maybe wipe that down. That's where the fan is. That's where you're gonna get your heat blowing at you. Okay, so there you go. Hopefully that answers your questions.